So today we are diving into an exciting topic that is creating online courses with the help of ChatGPT. So if you're passionate about teaching and you want to offer a unique and interactive learning experience to your students, so this video is exactly for you. So let's get started with the step-by-step guide to creating online courses with ChatGPT. So for creating an online course, you need to be following these 5 steps in order to create a perfect and a unique online course for your students. So the first thing we need to do is brainstorming online course ideas. So this step is really important. You need to basically gather all the ideas, all the information that you want your course to be about, and you need to define your course goal and also identify your targeted audience. Just like ask yourself, like, what do I want my students to achieve, by the end of this course? And then you can ask one more question, like, who are my ideal students? So understanding these key aspects will help you tailor your course content to meet their needs. And the next step is really important as well. You need to craft an effective online course outline. So once you have a clear vision for your course, now it's time to plan and structure your content. So create a detailed outline with different modules or different sections, like we did in one of our modules previously. So likewise, you can break down the topics into bite-sized lessons that flow logically from one to next. So it will definitely make your course more organized and easier for your students or learners to follow. And the next and the third step is writing a compelling course promo video script. So after that, it's really important that you create a video script or a whole complete script for your each sections or each module for your course in order to be like more precise and more error-free. So supplement your course content with video lessons. You can record yourself explaining complex concepts, or use screen recording to showcase your practical demonstrations. And this all you can basically do that with the help of ChatGPT, which will help you provide the whole video script of whatever topic or whatever course you are working on. And the last step after your course has been completed, students will be learning those courses and they will be actually seeking knowledge from those. So obviously there will be a lot of questions from students regarding the course or some concepts they are not clear about. So for that you can use ChatGPT to address your students' questions. In today's video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT, a powerful language model, to basically brainstorm and generate fantastic online course ideas. And without further ado, let's just get started. All right, so there I am with my ChatGPT open. So first of all, we'll go for a simple prompt to generate the best ideas that are in trend right now in the market to use that for my next course to be uploaded. So I'm just going to prompt here to ChatGPT that suggest me 10 good trendy ideas for my course to be uploaded for my students. So let's just now go ahead and see the output of that, like which ideas or what kind of ideas ChatGPT will suggest me. All right, so as you guys can see, it provided me 10 of the very unique and you can say trendy ideas that are very in the market at the moment. So first of all, they said you can go for social media marketing, then you can go for data science for non-technical professionals. You can go for sustainable living and eco-friendly practices and all those cool ideas. So let's just go ahead and select our niche this time and let's be a little bit more precise to get more and more cool topics on our specific niche that we are trying to go for. So I'm just going to go ahead and try one more prompt to suggest me some ideas related to AI and technology, because that is basically my subject, or you can say course, and I want to get a good topic out of that niche, you can say. So I'll ask you ChatGPT to. All right, yes, so as you guys can see, provided me some of the ideas again, but this time those are all related to AI and technology. So you said, first of all, you can go for AI and healthcare advancements. Then you say you can go for AI in finance and investment, which is actually quite a bit unique and you can say interesting topic that I can go for my next course. And that says you can go for ethical AI development, AI and natural language processing. And you can go for robotics and automation, which is actually very in nowadays as well, if you ask me. ChatGPT is an advanced language model that can assist with like various tasks, and course creation is one of them as well. So without further ado, let's just dive into this fascinating case study. So before we begin, let's briefly discuss about the importance of a well-defined course topic. Like a clear and a relevant course topic is basically the foundation of a successful online course. So yeah, in this case study, I will be using ChatGPT to explore potential course topics and refine our focus to ensure we meet the needs of our targeted audience. But mind you, like this case study is just for the outline of the course. You can also create entire courses, entire course topics out of ChatGPT, but that basically will be some other topic moving forward in our course. So for today, let's just now basically see course outline creation with the help of ChatGPT. So yeah, as some of you guys would be wondering, like how can we basically earn money out of that? So it's really, really simple. So if you can go to fiverr.com and you can type here course outline creation. So then after that, you'll basically find a lot of gigs regarding course outline creation, like people are offering online course curriculum, online course content, and they're actually charging a lot of money from that. So that is how basically you can get orders from clients in order for course creation, course outline creation. And that exactly I'll be showing you guys in this video, like how you can do that with the help of ChatGPT in just few seconds. So for course outline creation, this would basically be the prompt formula for that. So first of all, you type in write a complete outline for an online course about whatever your topic is going to be. Then after that, you'll prompt again to organize the content in modules and lessons. And over here, you can also type in like how much modules you want for your course and how many lessons you want. You can just customize it according to your need. And at the end, you'll type in a prompt like also add a practical assignment at the end of each module. So yeah, with the help of that prompt, you can also add a practical assignment at the end of each module. So yeah, let's just now go ahead and see that with the help of a live demonstration. So yeah, here I am with my ChatGPT open. So first of all, I'm just going to type in that prompt formula that we just discussed earlier, which is write a complete outline for an online course about prompt engineering for beginners. So this is the topic for our course. And I also said to organize the content in modules and lesson. And yeah, at the end, also add a practical assignment at the end of each module. So then let's now go ahead and see the output of this prompt. So yeah, as you guys can see, it created a whole complete course outline for the topic, which was prompt engineering for developers. And, it provided all the complete sections and module that we just put in the prompt. And at the end of each lesson, it also provided the practical assignment that we'd also prompted to ChatGPT to do that as well. And yeah, as you guys can see, just these will be basically all the sections, crafting effective prompts. Then we have optimizing prompt output, then we have fine-tuning and custom prompts. So yeah, this will basically be the section, and with the help of these, you can basically create a complete outline and sell it to your clients without any problem. But this type of outline doesn't seem that much eye-catching to us. So if you can prompt here once again to provide this course outline in tabular font, so that it can be more eye-catching and, more engaging to us, and it will be easy for us to understand as well. So yeah, as you guys can see now, it provided the whole course outline for us, presented in tabular format, which is basically, quite a bit looking more eye-catching and more understandable to us. So now these will be the number of modules, first of all, which are 8 modules. Then we have lessons. So this will be the lessons for 8 modules, which first will be introduction. Then we have crafting effective prompts. Then we have optimizing prompt output, fine-tuning, ethics and bias in prompt engineering, advanced prompt engineering techniques, and all of that. And the next column we have is of topics covered. So these will be the topics covered in each lessons. And at the end, we do also have the practical assignment that we also prompted to ChatGPT to give practical assignment for each lesson separately. All right, so here I am with my ChatGPT open. So first of all, I'm just going to type in a prompt here. So I've typed in a prompt to write me a script for my course video on topic, and the topic I chose for this video is use of ChatGPT in code snippets. So yeah, this type of prompt you can give to ChatGPT, and if you want to, you can just specify the duration of your video, so you can add that as well. So let's just say I'm just gonna add here, I need the detail to I say write me a script for my course video of length 5 minutes. So I want my script duration or a video duration of 5 minutes. So according to that, ChatGPT will basically print out the script for me, which will be exactly, or you can say approximately 5 minutes. So on topic use of ChatGPT in code snippets. So let's just go ahead and see the output of that, like how well it's gonna print the script for me. All right, yeah. So as you guys can see, they provided the complete, you can say, video script of our desired topic that we want, which was user ChatGPT in code snippets. And not only that, it provided the mini, you can say, details of the whole video, like how it's going to be. First of all, it will have the section of introduction, which will be the duration of 30 seconds. And we have to say this, and that. So the host will say, welcome to today's course on leveraging ChatGPT for efficient code snippets. And then we have the scene transition. So it also provided that you can add scene transition after that. Then the next section of our video is going to be understanding ChatGPT, which will be a 1 minute. Then it also provided many information like camera zones and on the computer screen, showing the ChatGPT interface. So after that scene transition, once again, ChatGPT for code snippets, which will be of 2 minutes. Then we have the next section, which will be ensuring code quality, which will be 1 minute. And all those important information that you provide in order to create a video. So after using this script, there will be actually no debate at all. You can just start working on that video. You can start recording there right away while following all that script that ChatGPT has provided in literally just seconds to us. How can you answer that? That's exactly our motto for this video. So yeah, let's just say I'll type in a question that one of my students is asking me. So let's just say that it's going to be, what are the ways we can earn money from prompt engineering? So let's just see what output ChatGPT is going to give it to us. So yeah, there you go. As you guys can see, like ChatGPT has provided quite a bit of an efficient answer to that question. So you say, as my last update in September 2021, prompt engineering is a term typically used in context. So first of all, it just provided a few of the information about prompt engineering. And after that, it says, here are some potential ways to earn money from prompt engineering. So first one is content generation services. So it basically helps us to offer content generation services to businesses and individuals. And our next way to earn money from prompt engineering can be chatbot development. Then we can use that as a language translation, creative writing, marketing copy and advertisement, data entry and data analysis, and all those important and crucial ways out of which we can adopt any of these services and we can earn money out of prompt engineering without any problem. So this was basically a brief video about how you can basically use ChatGPT to address your student questions after they have gone through your course, after they have selected your course and they're seeking knowledge from that. So this was a quick demonstration of how exactly you can do that.